Good morning, dear students. On page number 110, exercise 5.2 continues. Question number 3. Read in your textbook. In the adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. We have given that P and Q are parallel and this angle is 125 degree and the unknown angles are E, F, A, B, C and D. This is the solution. Then first draw the figure with pencil and ruler in your notebook from the textbook. Given that P is parallel to Q and solution is E plus 125 degree is 180 degree because of linear pair. So E is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree, then E is equal to 55 degree. Now E is equal to F. They both are angles are equal because of E is equal to F is equal to vertically opposite angles. Now A is equal to F. F here and A is here because of Z. English alphabet letter Z. When Z is made when the alternate angles, then A is equal to F is equal to 55 degree alternate angles. Now we know that A plus B is equal to 180 degree. A plus B is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Now B is equal to value of A is 55 degree, put here, plus B is equal to 180 degree and solve the equation. Then the B is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree, then B is equal to 125 degree and the value of B is 125 degree. Now angle A is equal to angle C because of vertically opposite angles, and also angle B is equal to angle D to vertically opposite angle. Then value of angle A and C is 55 degree and B and D is 125 degree. Thus we can say that A is equal to 55 degree, B is 125 degree, C is 55 degree and D is 125 degree. Now question number 4 on the next page on the top. First, find the value of x in each of the following figures if L is parallel to M. If L and M both lines are parallel, then find the value of this x. Given that this angle is 110 degree, very simple solution that here it is x degree, then this angle is also be x degree because of corresponding angles. These and these angles are equal, corresponding angles. Then this is x. If this angle is n, then this angle is also be x because of corresponding angles. Then the sum of 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Then x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, and x is equal to 70 degree. X is 70 degree. Now first in the given figure below decide whether L is parallel to M. हमको जो फिगर्स दिए हुए हैं हमको उसमें देख के बताना है सॉल्व करके कि L और M पैरेलल है या नहीं है. जब भी दो लाइन पैरेलल होगी तो उनके वन साइड इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स होगा. अगर दोनों एंगल वन साइड इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा तो दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है, अदरवाइज दोनों लाइन पैरेलल नहीं है. Okay, then first is given that L is parallel to M and N is transversal line, and given that this measure of this angle is 126 degree and this angle is 44 degree. First the sum of both the angle is 170 degree, and we know that it is compulsory that the sum of both the angle is 180 degree for parallel. So L is not parallel to M because sum of one side interior angles is not 180 degree. Now second number, here L and M two lines and N is transversal line, and given that this angle is 75 degree and this angle is 75 degree, then if both our line are parallel, then with the help of corresponding angles property, if this is 75 then this angle will also be 75 degree. Then the sum of both the angles is 75 plus 75 is 150 degree. But it is compulsory that if with linear pair in the the sum of these angles are 180 degree. Then L and M are not parallel because sum of angles does not obey the property of parallel lines. Okay, now dear student, you have to be done the whole exercise in the homework. Today's homework is question number 3, question number 4, first, second, question number 5, question number 6, all 4 parts. Tomorrow I will give you worksheet of chapter 5. Okay, thank you.